audience. Today I'd like to speak on the seed you sow. Translated to Igbo, it means mkpụrụ onye kụrụ ka ọ ga-aghọrọ. And this is ever so important because in Igbo land we say na agwọ nọ n'akịrịka. These are really very challenging times. Let me start on a literary note. In Igbo land, if you say mkpụrụ onye kụrụ taa ka ọ ga-aghọrọ echi, that means the seeds you sow today, you will pluck tomorrow. If you recall, in the recent past in Nigeria, we experienced here in the southeast and south, food blockade by farmers and food sellers from the northern part of Nigeria under their umbrella association. They had first issued the threat and they went ahead to carry it out. And what that meant was for the 1-2 weeks period that this lasted, prices of food products, edible products, yam, tomatoes, onions skyrocketed and people were crying, people were shouting. So this is now a call to action for people of Igbo origin, people, the Southeasterners, the South-Southerners, even the Southwesterners, that everybody should go back to the basics. It's about time for us to start going back to what our parents, our forefathers did. Just recently, I visited my mother in the village, and I had to go harvest a bowl of lime that my father, planted, years ago. And I now started looking around, and I just realized that all the trees, mango trees, coconut trees, and everything planted in that compound was planted by my father, and none was planted by myself and my siblings. And, it just kind of made me to begin to think that this is wrong. So what are we now going to leave for our children when we, our children that are coming after us? So my call to action is for us to, go back to our respective homes. Whatever little space that you have, let us begin to use those spaces to plant things that our children will, will eat from. I have also started it because, like I said, mkpụrụ onye kụrụ ka ọ ga-aghọrọ. So my proposition is that, let us do away, both at the family, community level, some of the fancy non-economic plants and flowers that we,